This is called the takeout structure. From the takeout structure, the wires carry the electricity up and under the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The cantilevered towers that support and direct the wires lean into the canyon to ensure the wires do not touch the walls and cause a short circuit. Looking downriver, midway on the canyon wall, you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes. This is a valve house. There are 2 valve houses, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch gate valves. These valves allow us to discharge water directly from the lake, bypassing the turbines whenever needed. Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are 6 3.5-inch diameter cables. Following the cables to the right, you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane supported by the cables. This is an original crane from construction of the dam. It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cable-way crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used